Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and in-depth product analysis. Today, we're diving into the world of home canning with a product that's been making waves in the market. Introducing the Cook's Standard Canning Juice Steamer Extractor. This stainless steel multipod is not just any ordinary kitchen tool. It's the best steam juicer for canning you'll find on the market. Let's talk about why this product stands out from the rest. Crafted from polished stainless steel, this juicer is built to last. It's designed with an aluminum disc at the bottom for even heating, ensuring that your ingredients maintain their taste and nutritional value. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this juicer is incredibly easy to use. With just a simple setup, you can start steaming your favorite fruits and vegetables in no time. Not just for juicing, this multipod is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Use it to make juice, jelly, sauces, and even canned foods. Plus, its multi-layer design allows you to cook different ingredients simultaneously, maximizing efficiency. From gas to electric, glass to ceramic, this juicer is compatible with a wide range of stove tops. Plus, it's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you even more cooking options. Now that we've covered the features, let's talk about the benefits of owning this steam juicer. By steaming your ingredients, you can preserve their natural nutrients and flavors, giving you healthier and more delicious results. Say goodbye to long hours spent in the kitchen. With its efficient design, this juicer makes the canning process quick and hassle-free. With its versatility, this multipod opens up a world of culinary possibilities. From homemade juices to savory sauces, the options are endless. In conclusion, the Cook's Standard Canning Juice Steamer Extractor is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a game-changer for home canning enthusiasts. With its high-quality construction, convenient operation, and versatile functionality, it's the best steam juicer for canning available in the market today. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. Until next time, happy canning!